Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Namecheap with HTTPS using CPanel and Softaculous, step by step. This is one of the easiest ways to get a WordPress website online, especially if you're using Namecheap hosting and want a fast, beginner-friendly setup without doing everything manually. By the end of this video, you'll have WordPress installed, your site title and description set up, and your admin login ready to go. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're in, go to your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of your Namecheap services in one place. From the dashboard, open your hosting list. Here you will see the hosting plan connected to your website. Find the hosting account you want to use and then click Go to CPanel. This will open the control panel for your hosting, which is where we'll use Softaculous to install WordPress. Inside CPanel, look for Softaculous Apps Installer. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar or scroll through the available tools until you find it. Softaculous is a one-click installer that makes setting up WordPress much easier. Once you open it, click WordPress. You'll be taken to the WordPress installer page where you can start the setup process. Now, click Install. On the installation screen, the first thing you'll need to do is select your domain name. Make sure you choose the correct domain you want WordPress installed on. If you have multiple domains attached to your hosting account, double check this part carefully so WordPress goes to the right site. Next, enter your site name. This is the name of your website and what visitors may see in the browser title or site branding. After that, enter your site description. This is a short description of what your website is about. You can always update both of these later inside WordPress, so don't worry if you want to refine them after installation. After that, you'll need to create an admin username. This is the username you'll use to log in to the WordPress dashboard, so choose something secure and not too obvious. Then create a strong admin password. Make sure it's long, unique, and difficult to guess. It's very important that you save it somewhere safe because you'll need it to access your website later. If you lose this password, recovering access can be much more annoying than simply storing it properly from the start. Next, choose your preferred WordPress options or editor. Depending on what's available in your installer, you may be able to select default settings, plugins, or editor preferences. If you're not sure what to pick, it's usually fine to keep the recommended options and change them later once you're inside WordPress. The main goal here is to get the site installed correctly first. Now take a moment to review the installation settings carefully. Check your domain, site name, site description, admin username, password, and any other options you selected. This is your last chance to catch a mistake before WordPress is installed. Once everything looks correct, click Install. Softaculous will now begin the installation process. Give it a moment to finish. When it's done, you should see confirmation that WordPress has been installed successfully. From there, you can log into your new WordPress dashboard using the admin details you just created and begin customizing your site. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress on Namecheap using CPanel and Softaculous with HTTPS in place. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website tutorials, beginner guides, and hosting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.